Hi, now I'm going to explain the Ecologian Mitigations Chuku hashing scheme, a large-scale storage system. So, main objective of this project is in cloud computing. In cloud computing, server need to process and analyze the large amounts of data in high-dimensional and unstructured data, timely and accurately by using keyword search ranking process. This is the main objective of this project. So due to the simplicity and easy of use, in this paper they are introduced Chuku hashing schemes have been widely used in real world cloud related applications. The Chuku hashing suffers from endless loops and high insertion and costly. So even high risk of reconstructions of the entire hash table. To address these problems, they are proposed in this paper cost efficient Chuku hashing scheme technique. See here, this diagrams indicates the Chuku hash tables. So this one is the Chuku hashing process, architecture of this process. Okay. So this one is the Eclipse IDE. By using this IDE, you only will develop this uh, keyword search based Chuku hashing functions. We will develop these functions. So first, before running your project, you should run the Tomcat server. After running the Tomcat server, open browser. Okay, type localhost colon 8080. Next, Tomcat manager. So this one is your that Ecologian mitigations Chuku hashing schemes to large scale storage systems. Here two modules is there. One is admin modules and user module. Admin. So he will create the users. He can able to create the users. These are the already existed users. These are the cloud informations. It will generate the AES key generations and files. So admin is going to upload the files from grade 1. Is uploading the file into the cloud. So file is uploaded successfully. So next, sign out. Now user can able to log in. By using Chuku hashing techniques. So which one we are uploaded files, so first we are doing the filtering process, and we are applying the Chuku hashing technique process. So after that, based on users can able to log in. So here, based on keyword, that users can able to access and retrieve the that files. So before going to access that files, he should upload the his key. Now, so that key validation is success. Now is going to search the file based on the keyword. So now, for example, I'm searching by using keyword Java. It will come that world number of world percentage and that file. You can easily can able to download that file. Yeah, file has been decrypted to your system successfully. So this one decrypted file. So this one is the decrypted file. Thank you.